here. The emergence is the tallest part of the rainforest. The second layer of the rainforest is canopy. The monkeys and sloths live in here. The canopy is second top of the rainforest and it has lots of fruits and plants. The third layer of the rainforest is understory. You can see kinkajou, snakes, tree frogs, and dog frogs. And then understories, plants and leaves as big as an umbrella. The bottom of the rainforest is forest floor. You can see the tipper, jaguar, and crocodile living here. The forest floor almost has no sunlight, but it has some water and some plants. My favorite animal in the rainforest is kinkajou because its eyes is very big and its face is very cute and its tail is very pink, like another arm. And they also spend almost of their time in the tree. Thank you your attention.
Hey Charlene, the rainforest is starting to disappear. What can you do to help save the rainforest?
You can save the trees, recycling, and plant more trees. Thank you your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.
Good job, Charlene.